All right, so I want to get into this next section because he talks about the Holy Trinity.
So that's the three that the church got to praying to and everybody was confused. But I just put it together so they know. So it's three. It's Abraxas, it's Sophia, and it's Jesus. That's the Holy Trinity the church talk about. But they ain't gonna give you all the power. But the power is in Abraxas.
All right, so now he talks about the Holy Trinity, right? He says Abraxas, Sophia, and Jesus. Now, as far back as my research goes, that when we're talking about the Trinity, the original Trinity was Christ, woman, child. Christ, woman, child. And then man came in and put himself in the place of Christ. So then it became man, woman, child. And the issue with that is that, again, woman has lost her place because instead of trying to follow source, she's trying to follow man because man has taken her over. Now, I've talked about this, and again, I know people get upset with me when I make sure women understand you have been conquered, woman, because this planet was originally a matriarchal society. And this is not, once again, I have to say this because, guys get an ego trip when I say that. It's not about that. I'm telling you what the facts are. This was originally a feminine planet, and he talks about that when he talks about Sophia is the creator of the God he's praying to, which is Abraxas. So what I'm saying to you is you have to understand that this was a matriarchal planet, and she was originally following source, not man. She was conquered by man. And then you know what conquerors do? Those who are conquered, their story is rewritten. That's why this is his story. That word is not just history because of no reason. It's his story because she was conquered. All of those scriptures were written by sibyls and oracles, women. So again, the original order was Christ, woman, child, and then man replaced Christ with himself. And now she's following him. So I say that because I say this. Until the woman understands who she is and she gets herself in order, this planet won't be in order. But once the woman is in order and she's in her right mind, because she's not in her right mind right now, she's been conquered. But once she comes back into her right mind and knows who she's truly supposed to follow, well, then the planet will get cleaned up. He won't have a choice but to follow because he comes from her. The planet is not in order because the woman is not in order, period and point blank.